Hello guys, today me and uh the sock will be unboxing the Outsiders movie. This is the sock here. He will be watching the whole time. So this is the Outsiders, the complete novel. I remember watching this movie when I was in school. Because we were forced to. I was like, you know what? I'll get this anyways because it was an okay movie. It was an okay movie. It wasn't the best movie in the world. Of course, it wasn't as great as the War Acts, with How Bad Can I Possibly Be? But let's get it open here. Okay, we got this side open. Yeah. Yeah, so we have the back here. So basically this is based off The Outsiders. Yeah. And we have the disc, which is all black. Yeah. Yeah, it also has Tom Cruise in it. Again, back in the day, I didn't really remember any actors. So, yeah. That's about this video here. Goodbye.